Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and opening Gmail, only to find your inbox transformed. Instead of a mountain of unread messages, you see a simple summary: 3 important emails, one from your boss, one about your flight, and one from your mom. This isn't a dream. It's the new reality Google is building with artificial intelligence. For years, Google's AI has helped you search, navigate, and organize. Now it's coming for your inbox. The goal? To turn your email from a daily chore into a streamlined, stress-free experience. No more endless scrolling or sorting. The AI reads, understands, and organizes your messages for you. It learns what matters to you, handles the clutter, and lets you focus on what's important. This is the biggest Gmail update in years. A revolution for digital communication. But with this change comes big questions. Can you trust a machine to manage your private messages? What if it hides something important or makes a mistake? This isn't just a new feature, it's a fundamental shift in how we relate to technology. Do we want more convenience, even if it means giving up some control? Or do we prefer to stay in charge of our digital world? The answer will shape the future of how we all communicate online. For some, this is a dream come true, an end to email overload. For others, it's a leap of faith. The AI inbox is here, and it's changing everything. Will you embrace the future, or hold on to the past? The choice is yours. Welcome to the day your inbox changed forever. So, what is the AI inbox? Think of it as a smart assistant living inside Gmail. It reads your emails first, analyzes them, and decides what's important. Instead of endless messages, you get group summaries, like, your packages from Amazon and Target arrive Friday. The AI drafts replies, suggests actions, and learns your habits. If you always open emails from your boss, those get marked urgent. If you ignore newsletters, they disappear. Your inbox becomes personal, tailored to your life. Searching is easier too. Ask, find my cousin's hotel email from last summer, and the AI finds it instantly. It's like having a secretary who knows exactly what you need. The AI inbox turns your chaotic archive into a smart, searchable database. It's not just about sorting, it's about making your digital life manageable. This is the future of email: less noise, more clarity. And it's all powered by Google's most advanced AI. For most of us, inbox zero feels impossible. Hundreds of unread emails create stress and distraction. The AI inbox promises to change that. It sorts, summarizes, and bundles low-priority messages, so only what matters reaches you. Suddenly, inbox zero is within reach. The AI drafts replies, finds info fast, and highlights what's urgent. Imagine reclaiming hours each week, time for real work, creativity, or just a break. For busy people, this isn't just convenience, it's a lifeline. The AI inbox offers control and peace of mind. You log in, feel informed, not overwhelmed. Trust your smart assistant to have your back. For anyone drowning in digital messages, this is a chance to finally get ahead. The flood of information becomes manageable, and you're back in control. Not everyone is excited about an AI-managed inbox. Power users have spent years perfecting their own systems, filters, labels, folders. For them, the inbox isn't chaos, it's a finely tuned machine. An AI assistant feels like a loss of control. What if it hides a vital email or misinterprets a complex message? Power users want raw information, not pre-digested summaries. They value transparency and customization, clear rules, not black box decisions. If the AI makes a mistake, it's hard to fix. For these users, precision matters more than prediction. They worry about losing skills and becoming dependent on automation. The AI inbox challenges their expertise and their sense of mastery. For power users, convenience isn't always worth the trade-off. They want tools they command, not tools that command them. For them, the AI inbox is a potential nightmare, not a dream. Trust is at the heart of the AI inbox debate. Your inbox holds your secrets, work, finances, personal life. Using the AI inbox means trusting Google's algorithms with it all. Google promises security and privacy. No humans read your mail, and your data isn't used to train public models. But skepticism remains. Data breaches and privacy scandals have happened before. Trust isn't just about privacy, it's about judgment. What if the AI misses a crucial detail or mislabels an important message? When mistakes happen, who's responsible? You or Google? Some people embrace the risk for convenience, others value control above all. There's no right answer, just your comfort level. Before you turn on the AI inbox, ask, how much do you trust Google with your digital life? The answer is personal, and it matters more than ever. Google's vision for the AI inbox goes far beyond email. The plan is to turn your inbox into a central hub for your life. The AI will connect your emails to your calendar, to-do lists, and more. Imagine an email about a meeting triggers a calendar event, a task reminder, and even suggests documents to attach. Flight confirmation? The AI adds your trip to your calendar, checks the weather, and suggests what to pack. Recipe from a friend? Ingredients go straight to your shopping list. The goal: eliminate digital paperwork and connect the dots for you. This is convenience on a new level. Your inbox becomes your life manager. But it also means giving AI deeper access to your plans, tasks, and intentions. The more helpful it gets, the more trust it requires. Google is betting most of us will make that trade for a seamless digital life. The future is proactive, integrated, and always one step ahead. Are you ready for your inbox to manage more than just mail? Gmail's transformation is just the beginning. Google is embedding its Gemini AI into every product, search, Android, and beyond. The vision: a unified AI assistant, always present, mostly invisible, always helpful. No more opening apps, just ask, and the AI understands your context and helps. Need to find a photo location or write a report conclusion? The AI is there. This is ambient computing technology woven into daily life, ready to assist. Google wants AI to organize not just the world's information, but your personal world. The way we interact with devices is shifting, from clicking to conversing. Computers become partners, not just tools. But as AI becomes ever-present, we face a choice: convenience or control. Do we let AI manage our lives, or do we stay in command? There's no single answer, just the debate of our time, and it all starts inside your inbox.